In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export from Photoshop to Figma. Since Figma doesn't open PSD files directly, the goal is to move your work over cleanly using the right export method or a dedicated conversion plugin. I'll walk you through both approaches so you can choose the one that fits your project. First up is the export and import method, which is ideal for flat images like photos, icons, and logos. In Photoshop, open your file and go to File, then Export, and choose Export As. This brings up the panel where you'll pick your format. Choose PNG when you need transparency or crisp edges for icons and logos. PNG preserves transparent backgrounds and keeps graphics sharp. Choose JPG for high-resolution photos or flat backgrounds where you want smaller file sizes with good quality. For vector shapes and text that you want to stay sharp at any size, select SVG to keep them looking clean in Figma. After selecting the format, confirm your settings. Choose a location on your computer and click Export. When your file is saved, switch to Figma and simply drag the exported file from your computer onto the Figma canvas. Figma will place it as an image, or in the case of SVG, as editable vector objects. If the image looks soft, check that you exported at the intended resolution in Photoshop. For icons with transparency, PNG is your safest bet. If you used SVG, remember that extremely complex effects may not translate perfectly, but most shapes and text will stay editable. Now, if you need to keep layers, text, and group structure intact, use a plugin-based workflow. Start by saving your work from Photoshop as a PSD file. In Figma, open Quick Actions by pressing Ctrl+K. Then search for PSD.to.design. Launch the plugin, then click Import. The plugin lets you drag and drop your PSD file directly into Figma for conversion, and gives you options you can customize before you proceed. Once you confirm, it will convert the file into editable Figma layers. This plugin approach is designed to preserve the structure of your design, including text, groups, and many effects. Results can vary depending on complexity, so expect that some layer styles and fonts may look slightly different, and that larger files may take longer to process. That's it. Choose the path that matches your needs, and you'll be working in Figma in no time. Thanks for watching.